withdrawal. If you want to remove your profit, so you can, let me just show this one to as practical. So I'm going to remove my withdrawal. I hope this is fine. So let's follow the same process. So I have $29 in this wallet that I want to remove. So I don't have intention of doing this, but I just want to do it for the purpose of the training. So I will have to move this 29 USDT to my um, Binance. So I'm sending some money. I want to cash out my profit. Um, I'm going to Binance, and then I just want to make sure that the two application can run, because the phone is slow. It's very slow. As you can see, the phone is very slow. But let's just go to Binance. This phone is too slow. Go to Binance, it's too slow. And then let's go to wallet. I want to receive this to my wallet. Let me start from scratch. So let's say we are moving from the home page. And then let's go to wallets. Go to wallet, and let's go to spot, and let's choose USDT. So I have just four. USDT available. So now I want to deposit into my USDT wallet. So, and I want the system to use the TRC20 network. So this is my USDT wallet address. So I copy this address. Copy wallet address copied. So I'm going back to my I'm going back to my robot. I'm going to my robot. So I want to clear some space. I don't know. So let me go to robot. The phone is too slow. Okay, this phone is slow, so I have to log in again. So we are going to transaction, and we are going to withdrawal. So under withdrawal, we are going to we already have the information. So I have 29 as my wallet balance. So all I have to do is just to fill the form. I want to withdraw the whole 29.34. So withdraw to crypto accounts. So let me paste my wallet. Okay, before we do that, I think we need to fill the form for our crypto account. So before we come to this withdrawal, we need to create a crypto account. That is the account where we want our profit to be dropped. So this is how to create crypto account. Go back to transaction, and then go to payment account. So now payment account. Then click on create crypto account. So let's click on create crypto account and fill the form. So you enter crypto e-wallet name. Just enter any name that you like. Profit to Binance. So profit to Binance. Then it said please select protocol. So it said we should use Trons. So remember we used Trons from Binance the other time. Then wallet address, paste wallet address, so that we don't need to do this every now and then. Then you get a verification that you are the one authorizing this. So let's go to our email. I hope the page will not close before I come back. The phone is very slow, and if the page refreshes before I come back, probably I have to start again. So Intelligent Prime Capital. So you are going to get an OTP 970531. 970531. So let's go back to my um IPC platform. Oh, 970531. I forgot. I think it's 970531. Let me quickly confirm once again. 970531. So I think that is right. That is right. So 970531. So 970531. Then we click confirm. So now an account has been created. So you can create as many accounts wherever you want your profit to be dropped. So after this, you go back to transaction and then click on withdrawal. We want to withdraw our profits. Click on withdrawal. Then transaction withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. So now fill the form. Um so withdraw from wallet. How much? Everything. So withdraw 29.34. Okay, we cannot withdraw everything because the system will remove $3 as charges. So 29 minus 3, so we can withdraw 26.34. So we can withdraw 26 point. Let me put 29.34. Let us see how the system will react. So withdraw to crypto account. He said profit to Binance. It has already been chosen. It has already been chosen to my profit to Binance. He said the charges is already $3 and you will receive 26.34. I think that is okay. So the next thing is let's receive the code. Let's receive another code to complete the transaction. So let's go to my email. Let's go to my email and receive the code to complete the transaction. Intelligent Prime Capital 363448. So 363448. 363448. So let's put the verification code 363448. Then let's go to our Google authentication and copy and do the authentication. 363448. This authentication is about to finish. Let's click this one, another one. So put the Google authentication and click on submit. Submit. Let's wait what happened. Let's wait to see what happened. Decide to check my USDT and I find 0. So which means it has been sent. So there are two things we need to do. Let me first of all check my email and let's see the message from IPC. So we have a message from Intelligent Prime Capital. So let's check the message. So check the message. So here we have the message. So dear, thank you for supporting Intelligent Prime Capital. Following assessment, your fund withdrawal request has been successfully approved. Your withdrawal will be remitted to the following designated bank: e-wallet profit to Binance. And the amount is 20. Withdrawal amount 29.34. Recall that $3 will be removed, so we are expecting 26.34. So the next thing is that we receive the debit alert. So next, let's go and check our Binance for the credit alert. So let's check Binance, and we have a message from Binance. So we have message from Binance as well. So we have message from Binance. Let's check what we have. Binance deposit successful. So deposit successful. Your deposit of 26 USDT is now available in your Binance account. Log in to check your balance. So I think we have a successful cash out. So now let's go to the Binance. Let's come here to the Binance. Let's come to Binance and so what do we have in Binance? What do we have in Binance? What do we have in Binance? Let's see what do we have in Binance. So go to wallet. Bitcoin is dropping down terribly. Ethereum is going down terribly, and then a whole lot of investments is here on the Bitcoin. This is investment worth $1,000, and unfortunately we have just only $450 left. So that's not a problem. The rule in crypto trading is patient, so we have to wait for the market to be the prices to go up before we can sell. So now the next thing is let's check the spot wallet. Some of my investments are here, and then this confirms I have those 4 USDT left before, and then 4 plus 26. I think I have so I have 30 USDT. So it has been delivered to the spot wallet. So there's 30 USDT in the spot wallet. So this is how to cash out. So this bring us to the end of the video. So it is now certain that if you want to cash out your profit every Saturday, it's time to cash out. So what I normally do on Saturday, there is a possibility of rushes. Everybody wants to cash out, so sometimes there are network issue. So I wait till Saturday midnight. Between Saturday and Sunday morning, I do my cash out, and I get the delivery immediately. So I think this is the end of the video. So if you go back to the Intelligent Prime Capital, so you will notice that we have just zero balance in my USDT. So which means I cash out what I have in my USDT wallet. So it will no longer be 27 or 29 USDT. It will be zero. So know that this is how we cash out every Saturday. This is how we cash out every Saturday. This is how we cash out every Saturday. So now if you check here now, we can no longer have we can no longer have 27 we can no longer have 27 USDT. So it's already cashed out. So that is how to cash out.